Hello, and welcome to Screencasts Online. I'm Darcy, and today we're looking at Finder for Mac. It may seem quite rudimentary to cover Finder. After all, it's a part of the computer everyone interacts with. We must all know it inside out, right? The long answer is that, unsurprisingly, Apple have made incremental improvements over the years. Finder is rich, with small features that are as handy as they are hard to keep up with. So, here's a soup to nuts video covering the basics, with a couple of tips for pro users towards the end. I've got my Finder window open in the Recents tab. For anyone not already acquainted, this is a handy little area that simply keeps recent documents quickly at hand. It's from here that we'll start exploring the different view options we have for Finder. The type of view we're seeing right now is called icons. You can change between any of the view options by selecting one of the 4 icons up in the toolbar. This is called List View, and we get a bit more information, not only the file name, but also its kind, and the date it was last opened. If I right-click on any of these titles, more options appear. You can select any of these to see more information accompanying your file. I'll add Date Modified, and remove kind. Then I can click and drag to reorder them. A handy tip here is to add size as one of the columns. By clicking it, the items reorder with the largest at the top, and this can be a handy way to identify big files that you might not need anymore. Next, we have Column View. Now, when files are selected, we can see some of that information from before in a window on the right-hand side. With this project, I can easily see the file size, as well as the date created and modified. Towards the bottom, there's a button called More, and it opens up a tab to customize. Now, we don't see a lot with this kind of file, but let me select another one. With a photo, 2 other icons appear. One to rotate left, so I can actually keep rotating the photo around. And if I click the other button, I can convert it from a photo to a PDF. This happens instantly, and a new window pops up with the PDF saved in the same folder where this photo belongs. Heading back to the Recents section, and there are 2 more options if I select More. I can instantly remove the background. Again, the photo has saved in the original location, and you can see in the preview that the background is removed. Head back, and I can also convert the image to another type. There are 3 formats available: JPEG, PNG, and HEIF. You can also adjust the image size from the actual size, large, medium, or small. Click Convert, and it's saved in the same place as the others. Now, there's much more metadata associated with this photo, and I can see that in this view style by clicking Show More on the right-hand side. Now we can see things like dimension and resolution. I'll switch to a Pages document for our next view, and you can see there's not too much more information viewable. But when I select the Gallery option at the top, not only can I see the contents of this Pages document, but I can also scroll through it. Beneath the preview, I can see the file path to this document, the folders within folders that contain it. I can actually click on them to take me to those folders. If I want to go back, I'll just hit the back arrow key. As before, if I select a photo, there's a considerable amount of information available on the right. Notice this cloud icon with a down arrow. This indicates the file is saved to iCloud. We're only seeing a preview of it though. If you choose to open the file or any file with this icon, it instantly downloads that information from iCloud.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week. as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.